Hello, my reading champions. I hope all is well with you today. Do you know that the vowel and consonant letters have many sounds? Today, I will be introducing the long and short sounds of vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels that have long and short sounds: A, E, I, O, U. And the consonants that have long and short sounds are C, G, Y. Now here are the vowels that have long sound. A, E, E, I, O, U. Now, here are the consonants that have long sound. Letter C. C has an S sound. S. Circle. S. Cinnamon. S. Cycling. S. Cylinder. S. Cinderella. Letter G. J sound. J. Gerbil. J. Gelatin. J. Jam. J. Germs. J. Generator. Letter Y. Y has an I sound. I, sky. I, Y. I, butterfly. I, fry. I, shy. Are you confused how they are sounded differently? Well, that's fine. Keep learning by watching this video over and over again, and soon you will discover why they are sounded differently. And now let's move to the vowels and consonants that have short sounds. Here are the vowels that have short sound. A, E, I, O, The consonants that have short sound. Letter C has K sound. K. Caterpillar. K. Can. K. Cone. K. Cat. K. Car. Letter G has G sound. G. Gum. G. Garden. G. Galaxy. G. Goat. G. Garage. Letter Y has Y sound. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yacht. Y. Yarn. Y. Yak. yellow. Now, here's the third sound of letter Y. E. 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 Bully. E. Sorry. E. Lily. E. Messy. E. Itchy. Alright, let's review the long vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. This time, the short vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. The long consonant sound. S, J, I. The short consonant sound. K, G, Y. And of course, another sound of Y. E. Good job! Excellent work! I'm so glad that you've learned a lot from our reading lessons today. Keep watching this video until you master the long and short sounds of vowels and consonants. Practice more and more to make it perfect and permanent. It's time to say bye-bye now. Thank you so much for reading with me. I hope you will share it to your family, friends, and relatives so that they too can learn from these reading lessons. And please don't forget to subscribe to get updated on my reading videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you all.